Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shivkumar News. Here I am reading only newspaper articles. This is our today article. Next census to conclude on March 2027 government to be conducted. India will be counting its people after a gap of 16 years in the first digital census, which will be also include caste enumerations. Crucial member and enumerators at 1,000 in Hyderabad during the 2011 census. October 1, 2026 reference date for Union Territory of Ladakh and the non-synchronous snowbound area of the UT of Jammu and Kashmir and state of Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. March 11, 2027 reference date set for remaining parts of the country. Around 24 lakh enumeration block EB finalized for the 2011 census for likely to be used for the 2027 census. Each EB usually comprises 150-180 houses or 650-800 people. The census after an unprecedented 16-year gap will be country's first digital census. The dates of the two phases will be published in the Office Gazette tentatively on June 16. The census will also be the first independent India to include an enumeration of caste as well. Vijeta Singh, New Delhi. India will count its population by March 1, 2027 in a census to be held after an unprecedented 16-year gap. The Union Ministry of Home Affairs announced on Wednesday this will be the country's first digital census and the first in independent India to include an enumeration of castes as well. The census will be conducted in two phases by February 28, 2027, and the data will have a reference date of 12 am on March 1st, 2027 for the Union Territory of Ladakh and the non-synchronous snowbound areas of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and the states of Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. He referenced data for the population count will be 12 am on October 1st, 2026. However, the government has not yet notified the date of commencement of the exercise. The notification of the center's intention to conclude the census and the dates of the two phases will be published in the official gazette tentatively on June 16 as per provisions of section 3 of the Census Act 1948. According to the press release, the constitution mandates that the first census after 2026 can be used as the basis of redraw Lok Sabha constituency, which are currently drawn on the basis of 1971 census data. Two-phase process. The next general election is expected to be held in 2029. The last census was held in 2011 and the subsequent exercise scheduled to take place in 2021 was delayed indefinitely, initially due to the COVID-19 pandemic. On April 30, the Union Cabinet had decided to include caste enumeration as part of the next census exercise. India's census is conducted under the provisions of the Census Act 1948 and the Census Act 1990 and will be completed in two phases. First, the house listed and house schedule, and then the population enumeration. Both phases usually span a period of 11 months from April 1st to February 28th the following year. This time around, the caste will be enumerated in the second phase. The 24 lakh enumeration block that they were finalized for the planned 2011 census are likely to be used for the 2027 exercise. Around 30 lakhs enumerators, including a sizable number of government school teachers, will be trained afresh on the mobile application that has been readied for the exercise. NPR updation. A significant addition to the training manual will be the enumeration of caste, not a drop box to record the caste is likely to be added next to the scheduled caste SC and scheduled travesty tables. The only two categories counted so far. A senior government official said there was no announcement on updating the national population register NPR, which already has a database of 1190 crore residents. The population register was to be updated during the first phase of the planned 2021 census. Citizens may also get an opportunity to self enumerate as the Office of the Registrar General of India, which conducts the census, has had developed a self-enumeration portal in English for the planned 2021 census. This option, however, will only be available to those households that have updated to NPR online. According to the Citizenship Rule 2003, the NPR is the first step toward compilation of a national register of Indian citizens NRIC. The census will impact the next delimitation of Lok Sabha and the state assembly seat and the proposed 33% reservation for women in parliament assemblies. Know your English. This is our daily English practice session. K. Subramanian, S. Upendra. Were you in time for the meeting yesterday? No, I was late, so my boss had to clue me in. Clue you in? I have never heard that expression before. It is an informal expression. When you clue someone in on something, you inform someone of something. Most politicians need their assistant to clue them in or that's happening around the world. That's true, otherwise, it's difficult to keep track of what's happening around the world. Can I say I would like to clue you in on the party we are giving? Rupina, you can, and I could reply by saying, please clue me in. I see how long did your meeting last yesterday? Oh, it went on till about 10 in the night. Good grief. You must have been exhaustive. What do you mean by that? I mean, you must have been really tired, exhaustive. In that case, the word you are looking for is exhausted, for not exhaustive. The word exhausted means that someone is so tired, either physically or mentally, that they have no energy left. For example, Sampras was exhausted after his quarter-final match at the US Open. I was exhausted after running a mile. There was a good movie on TV, but I was too exhausted to watch it. Okay, I think I know what exhausted means. What does exhaustive mean? It means through complete, a comprehensive. The scientists study the problem in exhaustive detail. The groom's family have an exhaustive list of the things that they were wanted. That's good enough. My cousin gave an exhaustive account of his trip to Russia. Were you exhausted after listening to his executive account? Well, not really. He had some interesting thing to say. That remind me, there are difference in meaning between I was watching tennis from 6 to 7 and I watched tennis from 6 to 7. Let me see now. The dash. Both of them means the same thing, right? Now the galaxy you see when you say I watched tennis from 6 to 7, it means that you started watching the game at 6 to finish watching at 7. I see. So if I say I did my homework from 10 to 11, it means started at 10 o'clock and finished at 11 o'clock. Yes, that's right. What's about I was watching tennis from 6 to 7? Is in that sentence you are not really sure when the person actually started watching the game. The person conclude have started watching at 6, or he might have started watching earlier. I see. Published in the Hindu on October 15, 1996. A quiz on the this year eventful IPL edition. Surya Prakashan. Question number 1. Who won player of the match on the IPL debate in the 2025 edition? Question number 2. Who became the first captain in IPL history to pick up 5 wickets in an IPL match in 2025? Question number 3. Who was the only player to perform a hat trick in the IPL 2025? Question number 4. Which player took the most number of catches in a match IPL 2025? Question number 5. Who is the only player to win man of the match despite ending up on the losing side? Question number 6. The impact sub rule is in the place since 2023. Who are the only 2 players to have become man of the match coming in as the impact sub in IPL 2025? Question number 7. Who hit 6 consecutive sixes through now not in the same over in this year's IPL edition. Question number 8. Who created a world record by scoring 25% run in each match that he played in IPL 2025? 15 match in a row. The player became the first person in IPL history to have taken part as a player and as an umpire. Question and answer to the previous daily quiz. The reason which Pride Month is observed in June. June becomes recognized as a Pride Month in the USA to commemorates the Stonewall Uprising. The day is observed on June 13 every year. The World Bicycle Day. This is celebrated annually on June 15. World Environment Day. This language day is observed annually on June 6. Russian language day. This day was first observed in 2002 by the International Labour Organization. World Day Against Child Labour visual identify the event annual observed on June 30. International Astronauts Day. It is observed on June 30 on the anniversary of the Tunguska event in 1908. Early bird who gave the answer K and Savanithal. So this. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the more update and more video. Press the icon for notification. Thanks for watching. We meet on tomorrow on next video. Jai Hind.